Here are two methods you can try to get your iPhone or iPad to its factory settings without a passcode or through iTunes. To make this clear, the factory reset will wipe all of the data on your Apple device. The first method you can use to reset your iPhone without iTunes is to use Find My iPhone on iCloud. Before starting this method, it should be noted that this method is for those who have enabled Find My iPhone in their locked iPhone. Also, you should know the passcode to log into your iCloud. First, grab a different device, such as another iPhone or an iPad. Go to iCloud.com/find and log in with your Apple ID. Choose your locked iPhone. Select the Erase iPhone option. In this way, you've successfully factory reset your iPhone without using iTunes. What if you've forgotten the passcode on the iPhone that you would like to reset, and you still don't want to factory reset your device with iTunes? Don't worry, there's a tool that is much easier to use, and that is iMyFone LockWiper. You can try iMyFone LockWiper, which only takes a few steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone LockWiper on your computer. Step 2. Launch iMyFone LockWiper and click on Unlock Screen Passcode. Then click Start. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to your computer via a USB cable and then click Next. Your iPhone will be automatically detected. Confirm your device info and click Download. It will download and then verify the firmware package for your device. Step 4. When the download is finished, click Start to Extract and it will unpack the firmware. Step 5. When the unpacking process is finished, click Start Unlock and confirm to proceed. The LockWiper will unlock your locked device and reset it automatically without using a passcode. Just wait a few seconds for the factory reset process to finish. And that's it! You've successfully factory reset your iPhone this easily, even though you are locked out of it without knowing the passcode. This method works for almost every model of iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more solution videos about Apple devices. See you next time.